Cordial greeting, my name is Sandra Escobar. Tour-ipiales-Nariño. Ipiales now as the city of green clouds located south of the west of the country. It is a border city with Ecuador, located at 9,900 meters above sea level. It is the highest altitude city in the country and has an average temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. In Ipiales you can enjoy gastronomy such as Guinea Pig, festivals and cultural events such as carnivals and musical trios, tourist sites such as the Las Lajas Sanctuary. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. Day 1. Tour of the construction of the 20th century Las Lajas Sanctuary, miraculous medal shows, and tours of San Felipe Neri. Day 2. Tour of the 20 de Julio Park, Rumichaca International Bridge, and traditional neighborhoods, El Charco and Los Chilcos, where you can enjoy the typical dishes of the region. Day 3. Outdoor activities, walks to the Puente del Negrito, well done, and the Boquerón, Inagán and Teques Waterfalls, bike ride in the Municipal Recreational Park. During the trip, you can use taxi, bus or collective transport to move around the city because they are very safe. The tourists can enjoy the gastronomy, tourist sites such as of Las Lajas Sanctuary, parks, churches, walks, cultural events, carnivals, as well as enjoy the landscape of this region. In Ipiales, you can enjoy its typical food such as Guinea Pig, hornado, honey with curds, and cane liqueur with fruit flavor. The cost of the tourist package is approximately $270 per person, including lodging, food, and transportation. Thanks for your attention.